Once in a lush, green forest, there lived a majestic eagle. One sunny morning, the eagle found a succulent piece of meat. With a swift swoop, it grabbed the meat and flew to the top of a tall pine tree, ready to savor its breakfast in peace. Below the tree, a cunning fox was wandering in search of food. The fox looked up and saw the eagle with its prize. Desiring the meat for himself, the fox concocted a plan. "Good morning, oh noble eagle," the fox called out. "Your feathers shimmer like gold in the sunlight, and your eyes sparkle like jewels. Surely, you are the most magnificent creature in this forest." The eagle, flattered by the praise, listened closely. "You are not only majestic but also talented. I bet your voice is as powerful and melodious as your flight. Would you grace me with a song?" the fox asked slyly. The eagle, swelling with pride, forgot for a moment about the meat in its claws. It opened its beak and let out a strong, melodious cry. But as it did, the meat fell from its grasp, plummeting straight into the fox's waiting jaws. "Ah, my delicious meal," chuckled the fox, munching on the meat. "You may be mighty, but even the strongest can be outwitted." With a mischievous grin, the fox trotted away, leaving the eagle stunned and meatless. The next day, the eagle found another piece of meat. As it perched on a high branch, the fox appeared again. "Oh, magnificent eagle, would you honor me with another song? Your voice is truly a gift to this forest," the fox flattered. But this time, the eagle was cautious. It remembered the fox's trickery and remained silent, gripping the meat tightly in its talons. Undeterred, the fox tried a different tactic. "You must be the bravest bird to ever soar the skies. Surely, a brave eagle like you wouldn't fear singing for a small creature like me?" Still, the eagle remained silent, its eyes fixed on the fox. On the third day, the eagle had a clever idea. It caught a piece of meat but also found a large, smooth stone. As expected, the fox appeared and began its flattery. "Oh, wise and beautiful eagle, your silence has been deafening. Please, share your song. It's the melody of the forest we all yearn for." The eagle, holding the stone in its talons, pretended to be swayed by the fox's words. As it opened its beak, the stone plummeted down, aiming straight for the fox. Caught off guard, the fox barely dodged the stone. "You tricked me," the fox exclaimed, a mix of anger in its voice. The eagle, now with the real piece of meat firmly in its beak, replied, "In the forest, as in life, one must always be aware of flattery. It often masks the intentions of the cunning." The fox, outwitted at its own game, slinked away into the forest, knowing the eagle had learned its lesson well. From that day forward, the eagle was known not only for its strength and beauty but also for its wisdom. It enjoyed its meals in peace, always mindful of the lessons learned from the fox. The tale of the eagle and the fox in this modern fable teaches a vital lesson: wisdom and vigilance are crucial in guarding against deceit. The eagle's transformation from a naive to a wise creature reminds us of the importance of learning from our experiences and not being swayed by mere flattery. This story succinctly highlights that true strength lies in discernment and mental sharpness. Goodbye, little one.